my uji smells like trash.
No, but smell it.
Now, good morning and welcome back. Now, AKOTHE was left in shock or mad after his two sons refused to take uji, saying that it smells like trash. Wow, right here, enjoy.
It smells like trash.
Uji. Smells? My uji smells like trash.
No, but smell it. We should know.
Yep.
That's the incense, Baba.
I know what you mean. Can you even drink it?
Yeah. You can't drink uji. This is what we Dion was brought up with.
Have you tried?
Yes.
And you don't like it?
This one is the good one.
Uji's not made for everyone.
So you prefer salad?
Salad?
No, me I prefer normal porridge.
This is a normal porridge. You don't like this one?
Porridge never smells like this.
How does one smell?
Thunder smells like a little bit of mango.
And you don't like it?
No offense.
Huh?
No offense.
I made uji specifically for you, Baba.
Maybe it's the same. This.
You don't like it? This is called agwata. Say agwata.
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 This one is agwata.
Agwata.
Yeah, agwata.
Agwata.
Baby, say agwata.
Agwata.
Not agwata. Agwata.
Agwata.
Agwata.
Ta.
Agwata.
Agwata.
It's almost the same as we beginning of for dinner.
Era agwata ni.
Agwata.
Agwata. That's not agwata. It's also say agwata.
Yeah, and AKOTHE was out here trying to convince them that while they were very young, she used to feed them uji, but they can't buy into that. Yeah, they don't like it. They are saying it is smelling like trash, which it is understandable because these two boys have not been growing up in Kenya. Yeah, they are being brought up outside countries by their fathers, you feel me? And so them saying that uji is trash, it is understandable. And by the way, they are growing very, very fast. You can see the elder son is taller than his mother. That is AKOTHE. Wow, it's crazy. Anyways, man, that is just good. Go ahead and tell us your thoughts down comment section. Subscribe even new. Follow me on Instagram. That is blissguy.ke and Kama K. I'll see you guys in the next one.